Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. I got IPSY mail, literally. Look at how cute this is. This is yellow with some fuchsia stamps from around the world. I think that it's super cute. And then on the back, it's this pretty coral color. And it says IPSY down here in yellow. Super duper cute. Love, love, love this bag theme this month. And then the theme is go there. So yeah, super cute. Go on a vacation, huh? I need to go on a vacation for sure. So I just want to show you guys what all came in here. I got a full size, you guys. I'm so excited. This is a full size, what do you call it? Lip pencil, and it's, well, they're calling it a lip contour, I guess, here. Super long wear and easy glide matte lip pencil from Huda Beauty in the color called Trophy Wife. I'm so excited. And there's a swatch of it. Super pretty. So I'm thrilled. I've never tried anything from Huda Beauty before, so I'm really happy to receive something like this. So that is very, very cool. And it feels really, really nice, and it feels like it's going to stay put really good as well. Next, I got a Trace, what is this? Mini Matte Blur Stick. It says it's a blurring primer and shine eraser stick. Let's see, does it have color? Nope. Okay, so it's just like a nice. Feels very silky. It's no color, just kind of like a priming stick. So that's cool. It says kill the shine. Let's see, you guys. Can we kill the shine right here on my face? What do you think? I think it worked. I had a little extra shine going on there. Very cool. So yes, this is very cool. This is a sample size, but I've received products from Trace before, and I'm always happy with them. I think they're very nice brand. I have no complaints. Next, I got, ooh, another mask. This is from the brand Tony Moly. Can you guys see? Oh, the sun. Okay, it says that it's a therapy pack. Serum, sebum control, black color clay. I don't know, you guys. I'm usually dry. Do I need something like this, like a sebum control? I don't know. But I look forward to trying it. Maybe we will have to film a Mask Monday with this guy. You guys have to give me a thumbs up if you want to see a Mask Monday with Tony Moly. That'll be fun. I definitely will give that a whirl. Next, I got, this is super cool, a Radiance Toner with glycolic acid and rooibos. This is from Derma E, and it's a nice size. This is 1 ounce. So wonderful. I love toners. And it says it's alcohol free. It's an exfoliating toner. Helps to tone, tighten, and brighten for soft, smooth, and luminous appearance. Glycolic acid begins to remove dead skin cells for younger looking skin, while an exceptional blend of botanicals, including rooibos and rosehip, help to revive the skin for a fresh, radiant complexion. Ah, that sounds nice. And I've tried some Derma E products in the past, and I've always been happy with them, so I'm sure I will love that. Last thing is from Ades. I think it's Ades or Adesi. Probably Ades. It's an organic infused nail lacquer. It's a gel effect, it says. And it says it's 12 free. Holy moly, can you guys see that? Look at all the things it's free of. Not tested on animals. Oh yes, right up my alley. It is free of a lot of things, guys, so that is very cool. Ooh, guess what? I need to paint my nails, and then I'll be back and show you what it looks like. All right, you guys, here we are. It's just a really pretty baby pink. Not horrible on the streakage either. Sometimes these milky colors, they streak so bad and then I end up hating them, but this one is really, really nice so far. So anyways, guys, that's all I got in my IPSY bag for May 2018. I hope that this was interesting for you guys. If you got IPSY and tell me what you got in your bag. Did you love it? Did you hate it? What are you thinking? I'd love to hear what you got in your bag and if you're loving it or hating it. So hope you enjoyed what I got in my bag. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye, everyone.